Hello guys, welcome back to my channel and it's good to see you guys here. And in today's video I'm going to show you how you can get paid to chat online. So I will give you all the details right on this video, so stay tuned for that. But guys, before we can start, remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel, because right now I am uploading videos on pretty much consistent basis that teaches exactly how to make money online, how you guys can work from home, and how you guys can become an entrepreneur. So go ahead and smash the subscribe button guys, and don't forget to put it on notification bell, because you will be notified whenever I upload the videos, and that was pretty much every day. And guys, if you find out any value out of this video, don't forget to give me thumbs up, and if you have any question regarding this video, feel free to comment below and I try to answer them all. And guys, if you want to learn how to generate full-time passive income right at working from home, so this is what I am doing. So click the first link in the description of this video and I will share with you more information about that system. Guys, the people who've gone through this system are now generating their first sale online. So it's definitely worth your time to check it out guys. So go ahead and click the first link in the description of this video and I will share with you more information about the system. So guys, let's jump onto this video. Okay guys, so today the website I'm going to talk about is called flirtbugs.net. So it's a pretty cool website and I leave a link below in the description of this video, so you can sign up for there, and it's 100% free guys. There is no startup fee and you basically getting paid to chat. So if you come over here and read the requirements over here, so you have to be at least 18 years old and you have a government ID like a driving license or something like that, and you have also access to a computer that you have, and they have also a webcam on it. So you have also have a moderate typing skills that are 40 words per minute, and you also be fluent in English also. So I don't know if this is available for worldwide or not, but they are currently in United States, Canada, United Kingdom and Australia. So they are willing to consider application from other country as well, but their acceptance is not guaranteed, so as written on their website. And you also had a good conversation skills and processing that engaging personality guys, and you will also have to apply for this. You submit the application by here, apply now, and they get back to you after some times. And you can also set your own hours, so you can work from home and from your house, and you also get paid by check or PayPal, but PayPal is my first choice and it doesn't cost anything. You don't have to pay anything to get started with this. So you can check this website guys, and you can see also here in programs. So it's giving you an idea, and actually if you have more experience with this, you can actually earn more money, and the length of the time that you are in this, so they offer an incentive based on you per minute, and you can check that out here. So you can see that they are depending on how long you be doing this, and you have to know, they are saying here we have to maintain an account is consistently accumulate minutes. So I mean, if you just do this for a day or two and you are not going to able to do no come back like a month, so they are looking for a people that will do this consistently. So it sounds pretty good guys, and easy to me. So each pay period is roughly for 2 weeks, so you know they explain that here, and you can check this out and see if this is something you want to do or not. So click to apply button, and if you want to apply for this, so submit your application and see, wait for them to get back to you. So guys, I leave a link in the description of this video, so you can find out more details here and apply from here. So that's it for today's video guys. This is the website, you can go directly by flirtbugs.net. So go ahead and check it out guys for more details. So that's it for today's video guys. If you like my video, don't forget to give me thumbs up, and if you have any question regarding this video, feel free to comment below and I try to answer them all. And guys, if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, make sure you do, because right now I'm uploading videos on pretty much consistent basis that providing you value every day. So go ahead and smash the subscribe button. And guys, if you want to learn more about how I generate income online, so click the first link in the description of this video and I will share with you more information about that. Guys, the people who've gone through this system are now generating their first sale online, so it's definitely worth your time to check it out. So go ahead and check it out, guys, and thank you so much for watching my video. Have a nice day.